Just shout! Just shout! I like it.
Hey, one more thing before we move on. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see some more of my videos. Our country keeps getting deeper and deeper in crisis, while our death toll rises at astronomical speeds. The most important thing to our president right now is putting his name on IRS checks he's going to send out to the people. This will be the first time a president in the United States has ever done this. And our media keeps a raging hard on as they promote fear 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Times like these, we all look for a hero. We need that hero that will truly inspire us. One that will make us do amazing feats. Well, I have found that hero. She may not be the hero we need, but she is definitely the hero we deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton is many things. She's a model, she's an actress, she's a businesswoman, she's a creator of words, she's a DJ. And she's a world-class cook. And she's been a world-class cook for over 20 years. We have proof of that. What the fuck is that? Nice. That's how you get her done. Nope, you need two of them. Dude, she's doing hot dogs, quesadillas, bacon and eggs. Martha Stewart can't do that shit. All with a couple of irons. Uh-oh.
Fantastic. I'm not shocked, but...
I guarantee you Martha Stewart don't have skills like that. Hell no. She can't cook with two irons. But I have a treat for you today. That's right. I have the 2020 edition where Paris is now 39 years old and still looking so hot. Cooking with Paris. Let's watch her make a lasagna.
Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Paris.
That's a sweet ass graphic.
This is my little assistant today, Diamond Baby. Killing it in her apron.
That dog looks like it just had a stroke.
So now I'm going to teach you guys how to make lasagna. Let's do it.
Cool. Alright.
So make sure to put the oven
So mind you, she was just holding the dog,
when you start
has
the
not
whole
taken the
process.
gloves off, or washed her hands.
Delicate.
She just held all that shit up next to her shirt that she had her dog on. Ah!
So this will start just
Boiling?
shrink so that they're
Usually
not so
we
big.
call it boiling. Did somebody just tell you?
It's true. I am allergic to bullshit.
Aren't we all?
Very.
Jesus. That's just for her lasagna.
All the other ingredients.
Let's get up there, just grab them all. Yeah, because you need all that right now.
Obviously, you do not need this Mr. Cottage cheese. I like using a lot of it because it's amazing, but
It's so good.
now I have to grate the cheese.
She has to
This is
do
my first time
something.
cooking here, so I have no idea. If
She's
anything
super
happens.
pissed. How dare they not buy me grated cheese? Where's the son of a bitch that does this? Oh, there you go. You do have a grater.
Still, I wish. this
Still
was-
has not took the gloves off and washed her hands.
Whatever. Life could be worse.
Yeah, it could be. It's like spreading COVID-19 with your nasty ass hand
Making
non-washing
it's a lot more work than it
motherfucker.
is. So again,
I still love you,
all the
Paris.
directions annoying.
So
And
annoying.
this is annoying.
It's not even boiling.
So get shredded cheese.
Just shred that cheese, baby. Oh yeah. Wrong side. There you
I've been
go.
doing this since I was little, and I would like help my mom, and I'd be like so excited to do.
I
this,
just
and
thought
I'm
you
like,
told us you were allergic to bullshit.
I have a much bigger appreciation for already shredded mozzarella already.
Do you? Because you've never done that in your
Other
life.
people do the
39
same
years
thing.
old. She said, you know what I want to do today? Shred some motherfucking
It's been a
mozzarella.
long day. I'm gonna get another piece of cheese.
Oh, yeah.
I'm scared. I'm
Still, oh, look, it's just the gloves.
Fingers off.
Those must be her
That's what I
gang
wear.
gloves.
Chef gloves.
Yo, I'm just gonna
What do
go
you
out
do
and
for
knife
sliving?
somebody. And then come in here and cut some cheese
Now
up.
it's 2020.
Sliving, baby.
You're still gonna see sliving. It's sliving it in a different way.
She's still so hot.
Just letting you guys all know on Twitter right now about
Hashtag cooking with
a
Paris.
YouTube video of me cooking my infamous lasagna.
Infamous. More like
Hashtag
diseased.
cooking with Paris.
You're dangerous, lasagna.
Hashtag chef Paris.
Hashtag
Hashtag
gross as fuck, Paris.
Hashtag Paris lasagna.
Yes, let's use that one. Hashtag
No.
Paris lasagna.
Actually, do not use the hashtag.
I'm definitely using that.
Sounds beyond. So after you've grated all the cheese, or you got the shredded cheese at the market.
Created all the cheese.
Next,
She went out and milked that fucking cow. Yep, those are bowls. Yep, you need both of them. You know what? Get every bowl you have out. Oh, just leave it at 2. She wasn't sure if that was the right bowl, but good pick.
So good.
It's so good.
My favorite.
Wait a minute. Is
I
it?
just want all curly
Oh,
looking.
you don't know what it's supposed to look like? I thought it was your
It's supposed to be
favorite.
Like that. If this one's like that, I guess it's normal. Oh,
But
it's
ricotta's her
not, and
favorite.
different brands.
You,
Um,
that's a spoon.
all these spoons are brutal.
They're brutal. They're so brutal.
I don't
What?
know what this is, but it looks
That's
like
a
it'll work.
spatula.
Yeah, it's working.
Still, has not washed hands. Same gloves. Knife fight coming up. Die, 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 die. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Mix it. Kind of reminds you of like making cookies and you like put the egg.
Lick the bowl, bitch.
And then you.
I shouldn't have said bitch. That was awful. Lick the lick the
Oh,
bowl,
yeah,
baby.
just
Lick the.
eat
Nope, that's probably
3
sexist
raw
too.
eggs.
I'm just a
Some of the cheese,
chauvinist.
You want to use it for different
Ugh.
flavors, but it's cool to like mix it together. That's like one of my tricks.
Like all your diseases.
So the next step is to make the lasagna sauce.
That should have been made hours ago.
I usually take olive oil and put that instead
Usually?
of butter, 'cause I think I put too much. So
Did you? You know
if you
what?
ever do that, just go
Let's
with
use some
this.
paper towels. Let's,
Swish it around.
Jesus Lord. Now we're cooking meat. Still haven't washed our hands. That meat was no good. It touched the counter.
Again, I don't know if I have the right cooking utensil.
Hey, you know what? Take all of them. Fuck yeah! When I cook meat, I generally use 3 or 4 spatulas as well.
Yeah, so you want to make sure it's like cooked, but like not all the way.
What?
All right.
Raw? You gonna serve us raw meat?
I'm gonna make it tan.
Because you can't take it to a spray
Juicy.
booth.
I'm not sure of the exact measurement of what you're supposed to do, but this is what I do every time. So like.
Jesus Christ!
No,
What are you pouring in? Like 9 ounces?
that's too much.
You think?
So I'm gonna do my towel trick again.
Why not? More towels.
Towel. Yeah.
Oh, no. Don't use the water from the tap. Use bottled water.
Just like,
You know that's next level rich folks. When you clean up with a bottle of water.
usually. You
What
cannot
the
throw this
fuck?
out, like,
That whole cleanup took $1.50.
again, is me just guessing. I have no idea how much. But I love putting
Fuck
this-
measurements. They're for poor people.
But
It's not nearly tan enough, but it's getting there.
going and then
Where's the sun to make this
just put a top on
tan?
it and let it
Is that a potato smasher?
grind it as much as you can. Juice.
You know you a rich motherfucker when you can dirty 4 spatulas, a smasher,
Spices.
maybe it was 6 spatulas,
Um,
and you can clean it up with Evian water and paper towels.
and pink salt.
What the fuck? Why would you use pink salt? That's because her veins are
We'll do,
filled with
like,
glitter, folks.
7 of these.
7. Just magic
It's
numbers.
Cooked back into the pans.
Oh, goddamn gloves on.
Okay.
Oh, nothing like a, shot for your Paris Hilton spray so you can smell like a motherfucking unicorn.
Okay, I was supposed to chop these onions and garlic.
Only poor people chop onions and garlics, folks. Only poor people.
I actually brought these, so if I was going to cut onions, Usually I do that.
But cutting onions was way beneath
Kind of
you.
helps with tears. Be sure to check on the sauce, because if it gets burnt, then the whole thing is ruined.
You think? Thanks.
Listen to my own advice because it's on blaring hot. Alright, so now we have everything. Let's make lasagna.
There's no way. Paris is so hot.
And then you start
So
layering.
fucking hot.
If they
There's
rip,
no way she eats
it
like
ruins
this.
the whole thing. So next you take the
She's
ricotta
allergic to
cheese
bullshit.
and
She needs to
do
quit
another
bullshitting
layer.
us.
I like to do a lot of this.
Do you? Good Lord.
So
Who's going
just
to eat that
repeat
cardiac
that
arrest?
again. Lasagna is like very hard to make.
So,
Well, actually,
is
I
it?
don't think it is, but people think it is. It's
She just
actually
contradicted
very
herself.
easy.
it's so hard, but so easy
I guess
because I'm
it is
Paris
a lot of steps
Hilton.
compared to like making toast or something.
Because toast is so fucking hard. Still, with the biker
We're
gloves.
halfway done.
Oh, spread that around. Yeah. Spread that nice and even.
Very ricotta.
You know, one thing about cooking with Paris, it is
Oh.
sexy. Yes, give it to me. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Killed it.
you're definitely fucking killing
Now,
somebody.
all layers. Final part.
Most likely with some kind of disease that you have on your hands.
And on it. And little mittens on.
Finally. She's picking up the cold pan to put in the oven. We put the mittens on.
And always stay hydrated.
Definitely.
I love this. It's neuro.
I'm going to take your
from you.
advice.
Alright. Let's see if it's ready. Yes. So that's how you cook Paris lasagna. I hope you guys enjoyed my
Hashtag
cooking
Paris
show. I'm
lasagna.
going to be cooking more.
So during this crisis, this COVID-19 crisis, when the world's gone crazy, I found my hero in Paris Hilton. You ask why? Well, for one thing, she's almost 40 years old and she's still hot as balls. Also, she carries around the biggest bag of don't give a fucks I've ever seen, bigger than my own. And that I just find absolutely inspirational. Now, when it comes to cooking with Paris, would I eat her food? Fuck no, I don't want to die. Hey, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave me some comments. I really appreciate all of you that watch me. And come back and also watch that other video over there.